Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing Her. In this video I am going to be showing you how to crochet boss braid. Look like the right thing for a party. If you want to learn more about this channel, please kindly subscribe now. So what we have here, we have olive oil and rubber bands. So here we go for the rubber method, guys. So we are going to be using the rubber method for all way around, which is front and back and this side, guys. But for the center we are going to be doing coral there, guys. So let's move on. What we have to do here, guys, we have to bring out our styling gel, then apply it on it before we now use our rubber band to hold it down like so, guys. Please guys, if those video is helpful to you, don't fail to subscribe, like, share. In the comment section, let me know what you think about this video. Thank you guys. Do you know what you will do for me and yourself, guys? Make sure you sit well. Watch this video to the end. Don't miss any of this video, guys, so that you will know how I start it and how I end this video. Okay guys, so we are going to be doing this rubber method until we finish doing the rubber methods. So this is it, guys. We are not finished yet. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now. Do you like this video? If you like and you enjoy this video, make sure you share this video to your loved ones, like, subscribe, press the notification bell, and don't fail to leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think, guys. Okay. So what we are going to be doing here, we are going to be using our crochet needle to hide the excess braids under the comb before we now start doing the crochet, guys. So we are through with the rubber method and the coron, guys, as you can see right now. Yeah, so this is the personal braid. What we have here is 50 boss braid, guys. Because if you want to know how I achieve this personal boss braid, I will be leaving the link of how I achieve it in the description box. Please just go in there and check it out yourself. Okay, guys. So for the crochet, guys, the method I use here is a different method, guys, like in an easy way to unravel. Maybe you tired of carrying the hair, you want to lose the hair, or you want to unravel the hair. This way will very easy, you know, to unravel or to lose. Okay, guys, so I know you'll be confusing here. What I do here, I bring out my stylish hair and I apply it for the hair. So before I now use the hair to round the braids like the way you see here, guys. So this is how I will be doing it. Yeah, so with this method, I believe that this is going to be lasting you for maybe 3 weeks, you know, let's say so. This is going to last you for 3 weeks, and this method is good for the beginners, those that just learning how to crochet, you know. It's very easy for them. It's good for the beginners, no? Yeah. So I hope you like the look, guys. What are you waiting for? Subscribe. I say subscribe, guys. Subscribe, okay? The same thing I do for the front, like the way you're seeing it right now. Yeah. Apply stylish gel on it, and just use it to hold the braid like so. Wow. Yeah, this is the finishing of my crocheted boss braid, guys. Wow, I really love the way I achieved this hair, guys. Please, if this video is helpful to you guys, don't fail to subscribe, share. In the comment section, let me know what you think. Okay, guys, bye bye.